Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this virtual course. My name is Santiago Arias. I am a software and communications engineer and SAP Business One consultant. Today, we will cover the following topic: installing SQL Server and Management Studio. Let's get started. To start installing SQL Server and Management Studio, we must go to the Microsoft page and download the edition on which we will work. In my case, I will download SQL Server 2019 Express. Following this, we will run the installer. And in the installation type, we will select the custom option. From here on, we will maintain the default configuration by approving each of the following steps. As soon as the form is displayed, we select the New SQL Server option and continue with the process. In this form, we select the Database Engine Services option and click Next. Here we select the name of the instance. In my case, I will select SQL Express and click Next. It is important to note that this form is where the password of the super user administrator of the SA database engine is assigned. Please do not forget this password, since we will be using it to make the different connections of the developed applications. At this point, we have completed the installation of the database engine. Now we proceed with the installation of SQL Server management tools, which will allow us to manage the database engine. In my case, I will download and install version 20.2. As in the database engine, we will maintain the default configuration by approving each of the following steps. And that's it. We have finished installing SQL Server and Management Studio on our computer. Remember that I will be attentive to comments in case you need support with a specific topic. We've reached the end of this video. I just want to thank you for your attention. And remember, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. See you soon and have a great day.